Alright guys, welcome to chapter 4 of this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you some case studies and best practices that I've used to rank business online. So I'll show you some business I'm managing currently, the one I've managed before, the way they perform when I was managing them, and when they are what they are doing right now, and the one I'm currently managing. So I'm going to show you how they are. So without wasting much time, let's get started. So here is an account, is a Ghanaian furniture company that I reached out to December. So I started working with them 1st of December till December 31st. So I stopped managing them. So I'm going to show you the performance of when I managed them and what were also when I stopped managing them. So let me click on performance. So if you want to check performance of a profile, what you need to do is just click on that performance button there. So that performance tab. So as you can see, overview of what happened in December. So you can see October, September, August, September, October, November, December. So in December, they have 72 views, like 72 interact with their business. So now this January, when since I've stopped managing them, they have just 31. So 72, 31. So they're different. So I stopped managing them. So let's go to their core. So the number of calls they received during December when I was managing their account for them, it was 20 calls. They have 20 calls then. So as you can see, since before I started working with them, you see August here, September, October, November. You see that they don't have any significant call. So, but by December, as I reached out to them, that okay, so that I can help you optimize your Google Business Profile to rank more on Google. As you can see, they have 20 call December. So now January, since I've stopped managing them, they have 4. Although me and the client I'm still waiting for his response. He said he will get back to me on either we can now to continue managing his Google Business Profile for him. As you can see, 4 to 20. You see that the difference is very, very good. As you can see. So there's this digital marketing company that reached out to me last year also that I help them rank their Google Business Profile. So let me go and show you how they are performing before I started do the optimization, and after I did the optimization. So let's go straight there. So as you can see, this is the IDCL Africa. They are one of the best digital company in Abuja. In fact, the best digital company in Abuja. You can reach out to us to help you manage your your business. One of the best, in fact, not even one of the best digital marketing agency you can trust in Abuja, in Nigeria as well. So if you want to promote your business, your brand, just reach out to us. We can help you do that. So now let me show you what let me show you their performance, their case studies. So now as you can see, let me show you. Click on performance, so you see it here now. So before I started managing them, their performance as at August was 78, 79, September 53, October 37, November 54, December 33. So it was December I started working with them, and see now January I started working with them in January and December. So now see January, now they have 100 views, 100 business profile interactions. You can see 100. As you can see, this is it. As you can see, you see the difference. You see the difference now. You see that the difference is very, very significant. So you see the result here. So now let's go to their core. Now compared to August, they have 5 calls. September they have 3 calls. October they have 2 calls. November they have 5 calls, and December they have 4 calls. Now January they have 24 calls. They have like 24 people have called their business. So they have received 24 calls from Google Business Profile. As you can see, 24 calls. So as you can see, like I said, there see the result here. So then I'll go to their booking. So like their booking don't normally show up. So people who ask for directions, as you can see, so 40, 60, so a little bit different. Now let's go to website click also skyrocket 36 from 10 to 36. As you can see, website click also, like people that from their Google Business Profile go to their website, it has 36 compared to December before I started working with them, as you can see. So these are things after you after you are done with optimizing a profile. These are the kind of things you know notice that okay, this is what this profile was I had before I started working with them. So I'll in the sales combo, I'm going to show you everything that you need to do to get the details you need to reach out to your client. What you need to do after after the client are giving you access to their business profile, what the first step you need to take, everything will be you know like I will teach you everything in the sales combo. How like the sales combo means that how to get their details, how to reach out to them, what to how to get their attention first. The first thing, how to get their attention. So as you can see, like I said, here is the details of the business I worked with and I'm currently working with. So I'm currently managing their profile, as you can see. So here is it. So here is the overview of their this thing. So you can see they have 3,873 people view their business profile, and they showed their profile showed up in 1,284 search results, as you can see. So these are all these things that we explain them in the sales combo, why you need them, so that you can be able to rank on Google Map. So this is something we can put in place and do to help your business, your client business, or your own business also rank very well on Google Map. So let me go back to my website. So my slide, sorry. So as you can see, I've shown you some what's it called, some profile, what you can learn from them. The thing you can learn from them is how they optimize their profile, which I've already discussed, how you can optimize a Google business profile. Now I'll also show you a case study, like a profile. So I've done that. Now, mistake to avoid. If you want the few mistakes to avoid when when ranking a Google business profile is: number one, don't rush reviews. See, don't rush reviews. Reviews are very, very good. Honestly, they are things you should put in consideration to have more review, but don't rush reviews. If you rush review, Google may suspend your account, and when it suspends your account, you may not get it back. You will have to start from scratch. So when you are getting review, your review should be, maybe you can get 10-20 reviews in a week or in a month. So gradually it will be piling up. But let's say in a day or in a month, in a week, you're just getting about 200-500 reviews. Google will know that something is fishy somewhere, because reviews are not easy to get. To be very, very honest with you, reviews are not easy to get. So when you want to get review, make sure you do it diplomatically, whereby you don't bombard your Google business profile with reviews, thinking that that will help you to rank. It will help you to rank very, very well. It have a very, very crucial vital role play. It plays a very, very vital role in ranking factors. But don't do it that Google will not be suspecting your account, that okay, this account, I think something is fishy. So they may, at the end of the day, ban your account. Then another thing you should also do is, when you want to post content, your content should be of quality, high quality. Post quality videos, post quality images, post videos that at least, let me show you something there. Post quality stuff, quality images, quality, whatever you want to let it to be of quality. So let me show you some of these things here. So as you can see, post most especially original, like your own work. Don't post other people's work. Post your own work. Post, like, let everything be about only you, because if you keep on posting people's content, Google may flag your account that copyright infringement, or how will I put it. So make sure that you use your own what's it called, company, your brand details, your brand info. If you want to be designing your graphic, let's design your graphic, carry your own logo, everything. Don't go and post another business logo, another business flyer into your own profile. Google will flag it, because when you post, they will tell you that they want to review it. The Google will first of all review it. So let me show you an example. So I want to add a picture to this profile now. So I'll add the picture and I'll show you that Google used to review every picture you are posting. Everything you are posting on your profile, Google used to review it. So I want to post a picture now. So let me show you something. This is a picture that was sent to me. So let me select this to post this too. You see that Google will tell you that okay, they want to review it. I'll show you the reason why they will review. I'll show you that they used to review it, and you see it. So let it load. They will first of all review it to check if it's compatible with their platform, or it is not copyrighted material. So they want to be sure what you are posting, it is yours. You understand? Make sure you post whatever you want to post. Make sure it is your own. Even if you want to post someone's video, let it be, add a little touches to it. So let me show you. I'm coming. Where is this video that I post now? Okay, I'm coming. So like I said, if you want to promote your business, you want to promote your brand, IDCL is the best company you can reach out to for your billboard advertisement, internet marketing, digital marketing stuff. Just reach out to IDCL Africa. You get it done for you. They are the best digital marketing company in Abuja. Trust me, you will be amazed with the kind of service their team are very, very good. They have experts in the game. They are experts in the game. In fact, they will deliver beyond what you expect. So IDCA is your go-to for your digital marketing. If you want maybe your business, or you want to start a business, you don't know how to go about it, just reach out to them. They will deliver. They will deliver to you. So reach out to IDCA Africa for any of your digital marketing stuff. They will do it for you without stress. They get you covered. They will do everything for you. They do billboard marketing, social media management, social media marketing, graphic design, web development. They do traditional marketing. So all of them, they do it. So just reach out to them. They're able to do it. Okay, where is this video I posted now? Okay, let me add it again. Let me add only the picture. Let's see. So I don't know why it's not showing. So let me even refresh. So let me go back and refresh. Let's see. So I want to show you that Google, they used to put all these things in pending so that they will check if it's compatible with their with their platform. So as you can see pending here. So this is pending. Let me show the second one too. So this one is has already been accepted. So you see the one, so they say pending. You see, they are checking if it's compatible with their with their brand, with their platform. So before they can put it out on your profile, because the moment they put it here, it will be seen by everyone in the whole world. So make sure whatever you are posting on your platform, it's your own. It's originally yours, even if it's third party maybe graphics or what. Make sure you alter it so that Google will not find out it is not yours. But I know that whoever is using Google Business Profile will have their own resources at that. So I will stop this video here, then continue in the other video where we will discuss more about. Let me go and show what we are discussing next. So we'll be discussing about how to, when it comes to verification, what you need to do to fix, maybe to fix some suspended account, how to get it back. So we're going to be discussing that in the next video. So see you in the next video. So thank you so much.